When a heat pump is operating in the heating mode, the outside coil is an evaporator and will ice up. This requires periodic defrosting to allow the system to continue operating. For all units, the system turns temporarily into an air conditioner. In the heating mode for a mini-split, the fins on the indoor unit point downward because heat rises. But when it goes into defrost, the unit changes temporarily back into an air conditioner, and the fins move straight out because cold air falls. The condenser fan motor turns off so that the heat being absorbed from the indoors will be concentrated in the outdoor coil. In the matter of seconds, the coil begins to heat and melt the ice. In colder, humid climates, it's not unusual for the outdoor unit to generate 5 gallons of water daily. When the coil is fully thawed, the system changes from AC mode back to heating. Defrosting can occur as frequently as every 60 minutes or less than once per day, depending upon conditions. Central heat pumps work the same way. When compressor runtime, coil temperature, and timer settings all converge, the unit switches from heating to cooling mode. Again, the condenser fan motor shuts off during defrost, and the coil quickly melts. An electric furnace will activate the heat strips during defrost to counteract the effect of air conditioning in the winter. But a gas furnace does not. A small amount of cold air will circulate during defrost, but as you can see, the defrost cycle is very short. For central heat pumps, there's a trick to making them ice up quickly for demonstration purposes whenever the weather is cool. Unplug the condenser fan motor, being careful to isolate the connector. Then run the heat pump in the heating mode. Once the coil is iced up, on the condenser control board are 2 terminals marked either Speed Up or Test. Using a screwdriver, short between the 2 terminals to initiate the defrost cycle. The moment you hear the reversing valve change, remove the screwdriver. The unit will now go through a regular defrost cycle where the unit changes momentarily back into an air conditioner, but with the condenser fan motor off. This time we filmed the defrost cycle using an infrared camera. You can easily see the tubing inside the coil and notice the increasing coil temperature. Once the coil reaches roughly 50 degrees, the defrost cycle will end and the unit will return to its normal heating operation.